Hello and welcome to this video from the Port Moody Public Library on searching and finding courses in LinkedIn Learning. Within LinkedIn Learning, there's a variety of personal and professional development courses and videos available to learn new skills, to build on existing skills, or to explore areas for growth and learning. More generally, when searching this database, on the homepage there will always be these top picks for you and related to courses you've watched options. If you have any history using the resource, then there'll be personalized options on the homepage. Otherwise, you can use the browse feature to search through general topical categories. They also include role guides depending on what type of profession you are in or the type of role you have within your organization, as well as the general search bar, which is similar to what you'll find in most other resources, where you can type in a course name or a topic and find results based on that. So I'm just going to type in an option here on the coding language Python and see what we find. And we do get a list of result courses sorted by relevancy, but you can also use additional features such as the length of the course, the experience level such as beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And you can use these different features to tailor your search to what you are personally looking for and your personal interests.